So we are cruising around in these high tide bays, and we got these two seals that are playing with us. They seem to be really interested in our prop wash. They run up behind it, jump out of it. Look at that. That is so cool. And then so we shut the motor down and just idle, and he just sits there and waits. As soon as I start to go again, they run in the prop wash. It's pretty cool. Oh, he's coming up close. You can see the wave of him coming underwater as he gets closer and closer. Yeah, he's just running in the prop wash. It's cool. Maybe it's the air bubbles or something from the exhaust. I don't know. Look at him. He's maybe 10 feet away. That time he was about 8 feet away. I can see the wave. If you watch the water, you can see the wave as he's coming towards us. He's making a wake underwater, and you can see the rise of the wave just before he comes out. I can't see him until he breaks the surface, but I see that wave coming. I don't see it right now. I think he's done. Yeah, they must like that shallow water for some reason. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Oh, man, he's so close. Oh, that's cool. Cheeky bugger, hey? Beach fire finally. Hey?
Said after 2 months we finally get a fire.
Yeah.
It's a nice day for it.
Yeah. Not a great beach, but whatever. Cooking our taters on the fire. Gonna have hot dogs. Yep. Costin Inlet, it's called. Tides are moving fast here up in Haida Gwaii. We were having a fire on the beach, and our dinghy was way out there with the painter line tied to a rock here. I just happened to look down and notice the painter line's underwater. Didn't take long to come up. Yeah. We'll be up at the fire here pretty soon. When we came in last night, all the trees were underwater. I think it's 18-foot tide right now, something like that. What do you like doing, Sandy?
I like poking my fire.
I like poking at fires, hey?
I do. It's fun.
Gotta keep that fire going by poking at it. It's good. We're here having a fire, and there's all these little eyes watching us from just off the shore. I don't think these seals see people too often in these bays. They've been super curious.
They sure have.
Just sitting there watching us like 50 feet offshore. So funny. Get in the dinghy and they come bumping up behind you and playing in the prop wash and watching you so careful. It's funny. It's cute, hey?
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Yeah. I don't think they see people very often. Back in here.
We're just coming into Sac Bay, Gwaii Hanaas, and it's beautiful scenery. High peaks. Peaks and valleys. Something I don't think the video is picking up is there's so many dead trees on the mountains here. And I guess that's because there's no logging in the park. And the trees just die and eventually fall down.
Okay, so we're anchored up in Sac Bay, it's called. Yeah, Sac Bay, here in Gwaii Hanaas. Want to give us a little commentary, Sandy?
About the boat?
Nevermore.
Nevermore. So we had a boat. The only other boat that we know is in the park left Queen Charlotte at the same time as us.
A day after us.
Day after. Nevermore. They've been on our track since we left.
Well, we just saw them today for the first time.
No, but since we left Coaston, our last anchorage.
Yeah, yeah.
And so we're all settled up in the anchorage here. And they come around the corner planning to come into the anchorage as well. And when they saw us, they did a hard right turn. They did not want to share the anchorage.
No. So
but now they're over there figuring out what to do.
Well, he was drifting around figuring now he just took off. Looks like he's going to go back into the lagoon area back in here. Funny, he did not want to share this anchorage.
And it's quite big.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's tons of room in here.
Like we were talking, in the Gulf Islands, there'd be 20, 30 boats.
Yeah. If this was down in the Gulf Islands, there would be 20 boats in here. Yeah. This is interesting here in Sac Bay. We're just cruising around looking at the shore and stuff. And all the trees on this, this would be the eastern shore, I guess, the southeastern shore. All the tops are ripped off of them. The branches are cleaned right off. Tops are ripped off on most of the trees. And then I started looking in closer to shore, and there's trees that are knocked right down, like the root balls are exposed. They've been ripped out of the ground, thrown down into the water. I would think in the winter time there are some pretty serious katabatic winds that come down over this hill right here and hammer down on this bay. I think it'd be wild in the winter, like a southeast storm would just pound this place. I think like all along the shore there's trees that are just pounded down against the shoreline. It's interesting. There's a lot of trees on the road balls that rip right out. I'll be hearing that. Two fires in one day, Sandy. On a roll.
Good day to be Joshua, hey?
What's that?
Good day to be Joshua.
You seem to be the one having fun.
I am having fun. Having fun?
Yeah, it's a nice little system for bad beach landing. Then you can get your dinghy up off the rocks. And that's good. What's that?
I can feel the heat through my boots.
Yeah, it's crazy, eh? We're walking across the beach going to the hot springs and it's steaming everywhere. Yeah, all these little creeks running out are all hot springs. Cool. So there's our mooring ball out in Hot Springs Bay, and our dinghy's on the clothesline. And then here's the structures in the hot springs. Oh yeah, these are nice pools.
Well, let's get going. You videotaping? Me? Don't.
What? Hey, nice change rooms, Andy.
Yeah, it's really nice. Nice shower too.
Nice showers, change room.
Pervert.
Don't be a pervert, eh? Yeah, nice change rooms here.
Oh yeah, this one's warm.
Warmer?
I think so. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely.
How's your hot springs experience, Andy?
It's really nice.
It's pretty good, eh?
It's super clean. The pools are clean because we got here early. We're all by ourselves, so it's pretty nice.
Yeah, sure is.
It was worth it to drag ourselves out of bed at 8:30 to get here early.
We're like grown-ups.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, this is what an hour's difference looks like. We're coming back from the hot springs, and I don't know, there's a solid 10, 12 knots, I'd say. Whitecap's picking up in the bay already. The mooring's holding hard, or pulling hard. There's a solid wall of rain coming towards us. We're gonna get soaked getting out there.
Another 20 minutes?
Yeah.
You can probably shut off the GoPro again. You want to just leave it running for a few minutes.
Okay.
That is pretty interesting, eh? Okay, you gonna pick him up and I'll take a video?
I don't know.
Come on, grab him.
So strange. That's a big shell.
Yeah, I wonder what they're called.
It's like a big mussel. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big snail of some kind.
Snail, yeah. But like that's a lot of flesh.
Turn him down. Turn him down.
I don't want to. And I can't really. He's too slippery.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
But you can see him here.
Yeah. Wow, that's interesting, hey?
Oh,
Oh.
sorry, buddy. He's freaking out, poor guy. Yeah, he's...
Oh.
Did I kill him?
No, he's sucking back into his shell, I think. Yeah, he's sucking in. Pick him up again. Watch out!
Oh.
Yeah, he sucked right in, eh? Look at that.
Oh, man, he's a slippery little guy. Yeah, look at that, in he goes.
Wow. How interesting. Have to look them up and see what they're called.
Those are big.
Yeah, he's big, eh, when he comes out.
So we should put him
Go in as deep as you can and put him out there. Flip him over.
So what did it take to make your fire today?
Drilling rig, the transportation system, refinery plant, massive amount of electricity. So, yeah.
So it didn't just happen.
No.
No flint today.
No flint today. Just about half a liter of gas. I didn't even have any oil. I don't like using gas. I like using oil.
It rained a fair bit last night, so hard to make a fire.
Yeah. I'm a pretty accomplished wilderness explorer.
Rugged.
Yeah. I don't know if these will show up or not. These are some of the sandy snails she's been finding. You can see them there on the seafloor. Spread right out. They're so big when they come out of their shell. There's another one there. They're pretty neat. Whole bunch of them in this area. All spread out. You poke them though and they suck up into their shell. Pretty cool things. This is in Dolomite Narrows here. Just waiting for slack to go through in our boat. Got it anchored up over there. Just poking around in the shallows right now. Pretty neat. Look at this crab in the kelp here. I've never seen this before. I wonder how he got up there. Climbed all the way up there. Oh, there's another one down there.
But maybe they come up with it.
And there's one right there too.
Yeah, maybe they come up with it as a Gwaii Island.
I guess. I've never seen a crab in kelp like that before.
That's
How
crazy.
interesting.
But you're right about the trap. Down.
Yeah, there's a lot of crabbing around here, I've noticed. What's the look of ecstasy on your face all about, Sandy?
Look at this beautiful seashell. It's not broken at all. It's a snail scale, actually.
One little break on it, eh? Not bad. Nice. Oh my goodness. Maybe we'll just stay anchored here for a couple days.
That's a gooder.
So we're on the beach here having a fire, and I went for a little walk along the beach out to the rock point, and I found this. A Canadian Hydrographic Services datum point. They've glued it down here, 1957, datum point 69. It's interesting. What are the chances of finding that out here in Island Bay on Gwaii Hanaas Park in Haida Gwaii? Kind of cool. Yeah. Out in the middle of nowhere, I came across this thing. Yeah. 8 feet. So we're on a 5-foot tide and we got 8 feet of water. Seven, 8 feet, eh? Did you catch it? I'll come up on it.
Yeah. Well,
Solid 6, eh?
Solid 6.
So what are we doing here, Sandy?
We're measuring the water, the depth of the water, to see if it's safe to come through. Right now we're at 6 feet.
So we're at low tide right now in Dolomite Narrows, or Burnaby Narrows. They have two names. And they're uncharted. So we're coming through, doing our own soundings. 6 feet. So our lowest we've measured is about 5 feet in the channel. They have channel markers set up to run through. They're private markers. They're not done by Canadian Hydrographic Services, but we'll come back in a few hours and check the current and stuff. And yeah, I think it's doable. Feels all right. I don't feel like it's too bad. You?
Come on, babe.
We'll see what it looks like at 2-3 o'clock.